Hello guys, today is day 6 our English challenge journey. So today's I'll be excited. I really so excited to achieve day 6. I was like I was think of before I cannot do that, but today's day 6. Our challenge while speaking English next to 90 days consistency in front of the camera. So today we wanna answer some questions. I prepare some bunch of questions. I'm gonna answer them without struggling and explain like a native speaker while we speak in English totally. So please watch the video until then. Subscribe and like and share our video and join us if you didn't join us yet. So let's get started. So the first question right here is what the first question is a bit simple question. What is your favorite drink? Tea or coffee? That is the first question we're gonna explain. So what is my favorite drink? Uh, Coffee or tea? For me, I prefer to drink tea. I love drinking both of them, like tea or and coffee, but I prefer to drink tea. I rather to drink tea than coffee. And every day, like every afternoon, when I back to home or kind of or wake up, maybe sleep, I make up tea. So I rather to drink tea, and I love drinking tea so much. I can drink tea 2 times or 3 times a day. The second question right here is, what will you rather live by the sea or in the mountains? What do you rather live in the sea or the mountains? For me, I love nature. I love nature, about nature, and I love sea. I would love to swim every day if I could. So it's a really hard question to choose one of those. Mountains and rivers. Sea. So for me, I prefer to live mountains. I think must be yes. I think I prefer mountains. So, and the why is I love nature. I love trees, green, all of those stuff, and kind of animals live the mountains kind of. So I prefer to live mountains instead of sea. So let's get started. One another question right here is, what is one thing you always carry when you go outside? What is one thing you always carry when you go outside? Carry, I think that would be clothes. Everybody would carry clothes. Though. That's not a question. What something you carry on when you go out? You never left the house. So maybe my phone. I sometimes I not take out my phone, but like often I take my phone out because I would love to listen English podcast. So it is my phone. I always carry outside in my phone on my phone. So that is I think the answer. I will also earphones. I would love to take my earphones well, but what something I always carry on in outside is my phone. What else? Uh, my earphone. That's it. I think the phone and the earphone is what some always I carry outside. So yeah, what you tell us the comment? What is one thing when you go out you always carry on? You never left at home. For me, my phone and my earphones. So answer that question's comment. So the last question right here is, what is the most useful app on your phone? This is like a daily life question is, and it is easy really. Like when you having conversation, you meet people and they ask you questions about your life. So if you learn these questions right here, I'm not trying to memorize those questions, but I try to explain and answer those questions without struggling. So that is can help you to improve your English. So the question is, what is the most useful app in my phone? I can say most useful app in my phone is YouTube. YouTube is my favorite app in my application. Also, I use the most Hello Talk, but Hello Talk just spreads my English there. But YouTube is my favorite. When I if I want to watch something, I watch YouTube. If I want to find something, I find a YouTube. So I think YouTube is mostly useful application in my phone. So that is all the question. So guys, this I also say to you something you really need. Right now what I'm doing, I just prepare questions and I answering and I speak in English right now. So you should you do. I think you should the same way. It's not up to filming yourself or kind of stuff, all those that is prepared, but just prepare some questions without filming yourself or doing anything else and try to explain to yourself. And yeah, that is can improve your English a lot. So and you're confident when you're speaking. And those questions right now we're answering. If somebody asks you suddenly, you already knew these questions and know how to explain, and you just explain it automatically. So thank you very much, guys. Today our video that is all. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Join us, and we need you. It's just brand new channel, so please hit the like button. Thank you very much. See you next video. I hope you watch that 7 day video. This is day 6, so 7 day you will watch that one. Have a good one. See you.